Hello friends, Judy here from Judy's Handmade Creation. And if you haven't subscribed, please do so. And if you like the video, make sure you hit the thumbs up. I appreciate each and every one that's subscribed. And that's a returning subscriber. And today, I'll be joining an open collab. And it's called #Embellish With Us Wednesday, hosted by Marianne at Marianne's Craft Corner and Raina at Lilo's Craft. And I'll be showing you what I created. And these I created for craft fair. And I created these, I created a lot of these tassels and a lot of these here for the craft fair. And I have spools of this satin ribbon that I use. This is satin ribbon, and this is a EK tool punch to punch this out. You can check the video before this one, or I'll link it below. You can check the video on what tool that I use for this to punch out this heart mat. I call it a mat. And this is how I embellished this. I made a handmade tassel, and then I added a jump ring to it. And I punched holes and then added eyelets so I could hang the tassel. And I put an eyelet up here, a white eyelet, so I could hang the cord where it can be, where it can hang on something. And that's the back. You can see the eyelets that I put on there. And I laminate it. This is laminated, so if it gets wet, it won't get messed up. And then I stamped in here with a clear stamp. It says, "Happiness is not a destination, it's a way of life." And I made these for craft fair. And I got, this would be a woman's version. And then I just made this one. I used a piece of hemp cord for the hanger on this one. And then I put the eyelets and an eyelet here so I could hang the hemp cord on it, so it could be hung on a doorknob or your car mirror. And I laminated this one too, because you can see the shininess on it. And the eyelets. And then I put a jump ring, and I made a blue tassel for this one. These are handmade out of cotton thread yarn. And that's the way I made this one. And another thing that I did, these can be used for cards, or you can make this into a tag. And then I stamped this with it's one of these here that I got. These are them clear stamps that the butterflies, this one here, that butterfly there. I got these from Michael's. It's a clear stamp. I got them for, they were $19.99, but they had them marked down for $3. And that's how I embellished this one here. I just took stamps and just stamped "Thinking of You" and some flowers and a butterfly. And I'll link down below the tool that I use for this. And these are the ones, I make a lot of different ones in different sizes that I showed on that video. You can do them anyway, like this one here. This one was done with a stencil, and I just laid the stencil over top of it, and then took my stamping ink and then just stamped over the stencil to get this in here. You can use any color ink pad and just stamp your stencil. So I use a stencil for this one, and this is how and then put butterflies on it. I punched out some butterflies, These can be mats can be decorated any way you like. And these are the ones that I did. And always, for these, I put a hanger on it so they can be hung. And I made these tassels, cute little tassels, handmade tassels. And make sure you get over and check out their channel, Marianne's Craft Corner and Lilo's Craft channel. And maybe you want to join in on this open collab and maybe create an embellishment. And these are the ones that I was working on, so I thought I would do a video and do a video for hashtag Embellish With Us Wednesday. So thank you for watching. Be blessed. Make sure you subscribe and hit the thumbs up. Be blessed. Bye-bye.